Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear comfort food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Perfectly baked potatoes begin with simple ingredients, accurate measurements, and the right baking method. That's where the baked potato recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. A baked potato is a classic oven-baked dish known for its crispy salted skin and soft fluffy interior. Made with just potatoes, oil and salt, it brings out the potato's natural flavor while keeping preparation easy. It's enjoyed around the world as a comforting side dish, light meal, or satisfying snack. Preparing the right quantity becomes much easier when every ingredient is measured accurately. Simply enter the number of people and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, course, diet type, difficulty, calories, and the oven baking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of people you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps section guides you through the complete process from preparing the potatoes to serving them. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and scrub the potatoes properly, then dry them completely with a clean towel. Pierce each potato 6 to 8 times with a fork before rubbing the surface evenly with oil. Sprinkle salt over the skin, then place the potatoes directly on the oven rack or use a baking tray. Bake for about 50 to 60 minutes until the skin becomes crisp and the inside turns soft and fluffy. Once baked, allow the potatoes to rest for 5 minutes before cutting them open and serving hot. For the best fluffy texture, the cooking note recommends using large russet potatoes. To achieve crispier skin, avoid wrapping the potatoes in foil, since direct oven baking gives better results. Known as a classic Western comfort food, baked potatoes are also popular in steakhouses and cafes. With basic ingredients and straightforward preparation, this timeless dish remains versatile, budget-friendly, and easy to enjoy at home. Accurate measurements and the right baking method can turn a simple potato into a satisfying homemade classic. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.